Why are you not?
No, look. It's not even. It's not.
I don't care.
So-
Stop! Okay. Hello, everyone. Mama Sin, and today we are going to do a
Penny.
Okay, we're going to do a drop test of the iPod Touch. I don't know if this is a second generation or a third generation. They look very similar. But anyway, it's extremely old. Yeah, so it'll be 3 stages. We'll do it on carpet, then we'll do it on hardwood floor, and then we'll do it on concrete. And each stage will be 4 tests. So by, I'll adjust the camera. They'll be by hot or waist. What are you doing? I'm trying to record a video. There will be waist, just like if you, just ignore him. If you pick it out of your pocket and drop it, and so it'll be from back side, then front side. Then it'll be chest, back side, then front side. Then
Heads or tails?
I don't care. And then it'll be from head height, back side, front side, and then up here, back side, front side. I feel like it's gonna break. What are you doing?
Nothing. Nope, nothing at all.
Maybe I should have done this before.
Okay. What happens when you record with friends? What do you expect?
Okay, we're gonna do the waist down test first. The back side.
Hello.
And go.
From the corner.
I doubt it didn't. No, I didn't. I dropped it. Didn't do anything.
Okay.
Now we're gonna do this. Oh! Didn't do anything. It's not even. It's any more scratches. There are obviously scratches on this because it's very old. Yeah, now we're gonna do it from chest height.
Knife drop.
Why are you throwing knives?
I didn't do anything.
Did you go grab the ball?
What are you doing?
Grab a bowl.
Jeez. Here we go. Nothing. Front facing.
Wow.
Nine.
Absolutely nothing.
Dude, what do you mean? And now all the way up here.
Jesus. That was almost my toe.
Jeez. That was really close to my foot.
It's fine. No anything. It's good.
Should we move on to the hardwood floor? Which I'm guessing it will crack.
It's either.
Okay, so.
And I just realized that. Wait, am I an idiot?
Okay, now we're gonna do hardwood floor. This is hardwood floor.
Wow.
We'll do the same tests, and I think it will crack. Do you guys think it will crack?
Yes.
Oh, freaking!
Is that just from your pocket?
Yep.
It still scared me. It still scared the crap
Okay,
out
I
of
feel
me.
like it's gonna crack right now.
Yeah, same.
Right now.
Happy birthday to the ground.
Where are you going?
Where are you going? Nowhere. I didn't go anywhere. What are you talking about? Happy birthday to the ground.
Rip. It's good. It's good. I mean, the screen's popping out of it, but it's good. Screen. Okay, no, I just popped it back in. No, the screen's fine. It was just popping out. I literally just popped it back in. Okay, now we're on chest height.
Oh yes, I'm here. Oh yeah, I just remembered something.
Oh, it's got your first crack.
What?
That's the first crack.
What? What?
Right there.
Wow.
Ooh.
First crack. It's not a big
Banana.
crack. Not enough to really do anything. You barely see it. But yeah, it's there. You can actually see it on camera right there. And that was only backside on hardwood floor. Okay, by the end of this video, this phone or iPod is going to be destroyed. R.I.P.
I didn't do nothing.
Oh, starting to shatter. Starting to shatter.
Wait.
It's not showing up on the camera. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is
Probably
a bit
not.
broken. Still fine though. Still would probably work. Screen's not falling out completely.
Well, I don't know.
What are you doing? I'm done. Bye.
And that's it
It's
for
out of
this
control.
video.
This is gonna be fun to edit. Okay, now face down. What are you?
It's now a headphone. It's now a headphone. Drop it. Don't worry. I think it's the floor headphone.
Face, not face first.
How?
Face
In
height.
what situation would
Well, if you're looking at it like here and then you drop it
selfie?
on the floor.
Selfie.
You ready?
Yeah.
That landed face first. Oh no. Oh, no new cracks. No new cracks.
He do be vibing.
There's no new cracks from that. Okay, now we're going up here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Rip. I hate that. Fine. What are you? Oh, wait, there's chipping on the case.
I got a chair now.
Where is it? Well, right where this. Oh, you guys can see the crack now. But camera. I hate right there. You can see it now. It's chipped. I think that was new. I didn't see that before, and I just missed it. Maybe I will put it. Water.
You haven't heard that the entire time.
This. Bye bye iPod. You're done.
Bye bye.
On ski.
Happy birthday to you.
Might be okay. No new cracks, except another chip. But no cracks. Oh, this screen is almost popping out. Okay. Okay, so we couldn't find concrete, so we're just gonna use this. What? Stop, please. We're gonna use this. It's tiles. Pretty much. Can you not?
Wait.
I feel like it's gonna get obliterated. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that's insane.
Jesus.
I think it's good. It's not doing
Where are
anything.
you going?
Oh my gosh! It's good. It's fine. Now we're okay. They just left. Well, actually, that's probably better. Now we're gonna do this. Face first, waist, and go.
Damage report.
Nothing new. Rip.
Okay, I think he went.
Oh! 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 New cracks. New cracks. New cracks. Shattered. Shattered.
I hear noises. Oh yeah.
I mean, it still works, but you know, I'm guessing. I can't turn it on. Yeah. What's that? Completely fine.
Sorry, I'm paying attention.
What you say? That you only meant well, cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need. You decided this. What you say.
Gee, golly, God.
Oh yeah, there's new cracks.
Oh yeah.
Right here.
There's a banana in
It's
the
a little
fridge.
more right here. Yeah. Now we're gonna do all the way up above head height.
This is sharp.
It's completely fine. Last test, and then we might destroy it.
I got ice.
That landed. Oh! The plastic's starting to fall off.
Oh, no.
Okay, we're gonna try that again because that wasn't face first. That was up here and it poof.
Ow.
Yeah.
I found
This is the final result to the test.
Golly gee.
Now we're gonna destroy it. Because why not? Okay, we're gonna do. You. We're gonna do table hockey, whatever, with the phone as a puck. You're gonna play with me, and we're just gonna hope to destroy this.
Okay. Just gonna.
Just smack it and got it. The fans are on, but it doesn't really matter. Jeez. This is such a stupid idea.
I know, this is a bad idea.
This is a bad idea.
I'm kind of just waiting for the battery to blow up in your faces.
That won't happen.
That might happen.
Wait, should I have told you the safety things before we started this?
Yeah, it's fine.
No.
No, we're good.
Yeah, we live dangerously.
What are we, the Dangy Bros?
Yes, we are the danger bro.
Oops. Dropped. I just carpet's gonna do anything. It's not a dangerous thing. Okay, we're gonna move on.